This is ALIF Electronics BD, the future of online shopping, just one click away. We bring you the latest tech on the internet, cameras, accessories, electronics parts, DIY parts, robotics, etc. for a cheap price. Shopping with us is very simple. Just go on ALIF Electronics BD and you can see here many electronics item is there. We can give you. And that's not all. Our Facebook page ALIF Electronics BD is now with many electronics item, tutorials and many offers. Check out for the latest price. Exciting news, our physical shop will open very soon at Rokibuddin Pouro market. Second floor, shop num 12 at Faridpur Sadar. A place where you can explore products, get advices and explore our shop. Come to our shop and get the new products. ALIF Electronics BD online now, your trusted partner for electronics components, DIY parts and etc. The future of shopping, right here in Faridpur. Every components, every solution, ALIF Electronics BD with you. Thanks for watching.